Hi there, welcome back to SEVAP channel. I'm Ivan, and in this video I'm going to be explaining how to go about filtering BIM information per level in Power BI using the SEVAP app BIM dataset and Slicer Power BI Visual. Now, SEVAP provides you with loads of free templates in our freemium plan, but if you really want to get most out of it, then sign up for one of our expert plans where you can access all of these features and have the ability to create your own templates. If you already have a freemium plan, then you can very quickly upgrade it to expert plan by simply clicking on upgrade your plan when your limit is reached. Now, let's start. First of all, sign into your account on SEVAP app. Now go to the Create Dashboard button and click on it. Then click on Start at the bottom. At the top of the page, you'll see a progress bar. This is showing you where you are in this creation process. Now click on Select Project. Here, you simply click on Select Existing Project. I'm going to just select this sample project over here for now, and then I click on OK. Then click on Next. So now we need to select our blank SEVAP template, which is this one right here, called BIM IFC Start, and then press Next. The project and the template are now loaded into the wizard. Now the wizard has moved on to Select BIM Models. Now select the BIM model that you want to use. You can actually upload several of these BIM models at a time to allow you to merge them together into a single dashboard. Next, click on Get Your Dashboards and save your ready to use dashboard template on your computer. Now let's open up Microsoft Power BI Desktop. This application is free to use. You'll find the link below for your convenience, so head over there and download it if you haven't got it yet. Go to File and select Browse this device. Set up the extension file as PBIT, which is the Power BI template file, and not PBIX, which is for Power BI project file. Select the file that you just downloaded from the SEVAP app and then press Open. Now the file will be set up, and if you click on Load, this will start to load the document into Power BI, which may take a little while. Now, in order to start working on the template, we need to save it as a PBIX file. So go to File, then Save As. Make sure the file extension is set to PBIX, and then simply press Save. Okay, so first of all, I'd like to show you the WT Asset Spatial Table. This table is here to reference each asset according to its spatial position inside the building. This spatial position is defined by the site, building story, and space-related columns in this table. If you take a look at the building story asset name column, then you can see that we can access details according to each level of the building very easily. Now let's click back on the Report tab so that we can see our dashboard. And now we're going to add a visualization so we can filter our assets by level. So go to the visualization pane on the right-hand side and then click on Slicer. Now let's move and resize it like this. Next, we're going to click on WT Asset Spatial and drag Building Story Asset Name over to Field under Visualization. Now we're going to set up the visual as a drop-down list. To do this, we simply click on the visualization pane again and select Format your visual. Then under Visual, we drop the menu under Slicer Settings and choose Drop-down. And then you'll see that Visual has now changed to show this. So we can now resize this so that it's even neater, and it sits just under our other visuals over here. I'm going to change the field name so that it's reflective of what the visual shows. Under Visualizations, double-click on the building story asset name under Field and change the name to Level. Now, using this new filter, you can select a level, and when you click on the Update button in the SEVAP-powered 3D BIM Viewer, you'll be able to see all assets on the particular level, making your entire dashboard now filtered by level as a primary filter. Now we need to save our Power BI custom dashboard as a template file with the extension PBIT. To do this, simply go to File, Save As, and then just enter the name. Make sure that you've chosen to save it as a Power BI template file, and then press Save As. Now let's upload our new template file into the SEVAP app. To do so, we open up the app and go to Dashboard Templates. Then click on Upload Dashboard Template button over here. Now remember, like I said earlier, this feature is only available with one of our expert plans. So if you're still on a freemium plan, you'll need to upgrade your account right now. So let's click on Data Source. Now scroll down the list and check off all of the groups of the tables under BIM and the BIM 3D option so that you can get 3D models as well. Now add the name of your template and a description. You can also choose the language or add a cover image if you want. Then just click on Attach File icon and choose Local Source. Go to the folder and click on your custom template file. Then press Open. This takes us back to our wizard and we simply click on Create. Our new custom dashboard template is immediately uploaded and ready to use. Thank you for watching this tutorial, guys. If you'd like more information about the SEVAP app, or if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us. You can drop a comment below or head over to our website and contact us via email. I'll drop a link in the description below so you can easily find us. Until next time, bye!